Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to share your screen during a video call in Messenger. If you want to enhance your communication and collaboration by sharing your screen with others, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook Messenger on your device. Locate the Messenger icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of Messenger, go to the chat with the person or group you want to call. Locate the chat and tap on it to enter the conversation. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a video call icon. Tap on it to initiate a video call with the selected contact or group. Step 4. Once the other side picks up the call, you'll see a row of buttons at the bottom of the screen. Look for the third button from the left, which resembles two windows. Tap on it to share your screen during the video call. By following these simple steps, you can easily share your screen during a video call in Messenger and enhance your communication and collaboration with others. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you share your screen effectively during video calls in Messenger. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.